Donald Trump has announced that the US will become the guardian of the Strait of Hormuz, declaring a renewed blockade on Iranian shipping. In a Truth Social post, Trump said Iranian ships would be barred while other vessels could pass through the strait, but would pay a 20% charge to reimburse Washington for providing maritime security.
The Hormuz Strait is open and will remain open with or without Iran. We are reinstating the Iranian blockade, so named because it is only stopping Iran's ships or customers from entering or leaving. All other countries will have fair and open use of the strait. The USA will be, from this point forward, known as the guardian of the Hormuz Strait, but as such, and as a matter of fairness, will be reimbursed at the rate of 20% on all cargo shipped.
Iran has firmly rejected Trump's announcement, insisting the Strait of Hormuz cannot be placed under US control. Tehran warned it would not allow Washington to interfere in managing the strategic waterway and cautioned that any regional country assisting the US operation could face consequences.
Following previous warnings, it is announced that we do not and will not allow the United States to interfere in the management of the Strait of Hormuz under any circumstances.
The proposal has also drawn international criticism. The UN's International Maritime Organization said there is no legal basis for imposing mandatory tolls on ships transiting an international strait. The agency reiterated its long-standing position that global waterways should remain open to international navigation without transit charges.
There is no legal basis through which to introduce mandatory tolls simply to transit through a strait.
Trump's plan has also highlighted an apparent policy contradiction within his own administration. Weeks before the latest announcement, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio said international law does not permit any country to charge tolls or fees on international waterways, a position now being contrasted with Trump's proposal.
Well, that's the law. It's an international waterway. No country is allowed to charge tolls or fees on an international waterway. That's existing international law. That's the way it is in international waterways all over the world, and that's the way we expect it'll be here. So I don't think we have anybody to convince around here in that regard. I think all the countries in this region would agree with us.
Trump's Hormuz toll proposal has also drawn political criticism in Britain. Veteran politician George Galloway mocked the announcement, while amplifying claims circulating online that the proposed US levy is far higher than the fee Iran had reportedly sought. The comparison has quickly gained traction across social media. From Iran's outright rejection and the UN shipping agency's legal objections to questions over Washington's own policy shift, Trump's Hormuz toll plan has triggered global controversy. The proposal has added a fresh flashpoint to US-Iran tensions while reigniting debate over international law and freedom of navigation.